application for beg today. My application for beg today to get to go to Panama. Yeah, people. My plan today we get a donation. We go to Panama. The mayor. Yeah. You look like your Lord T-shirt, Derrick. Look at what you mean by T-shirt. Come off of this. I know what you're talking about. Say, come off a rascal. When are that? Is not you she talking. Oh, okay. I use your talk. Every time I use your talk, blood clot still. I you love mix up my blood clot. The person said the girl body look like pirate. Oh, sorry. I think I miss your talk. Okay. I think I miss your talk. My mouth at this man. Take me another. Derrick, you want t-shirt? Yeah, me want t-shirt. I buy me some t-shirt today. When I run out and see Tikki new man, Rosalie, Tikki new man. It depends screen record out. When I run on the screen record out, my love, Rosalie find me Tikki new man. I want you to blood clot, Rosalie, showing up our blood clot mouth. Yes, people, Rosalie. Yes, ma'am. Yes, to the top of the screen, right? Top of the screen.
Yes, come on. Thank you, my friend.
The screen. Top of the screen.
Thank you, my friend.
Tikki meet him new man. Tikki meet a new man at foreign I interview. The Rosalie. Yes, my love. Tikki I go and go to foreign. He find man now. He find one brown man. Sometimes the man at the pan. Sometimes the man at the pan. Most of the life them, you know. In the mother life sometime. My love. Yes, man. Tikki new man. Tap up the screen for Tikki new man. Not saying something giving me. So come here, going to mix up. Send both and money gun for me. Anything for Uncle Derrick. Yeah, me telling you to mix up with Tikki new man. Come on, guys. Tikki new man.
Thank you for the screen.
Tikki new man. Come on, guys. Tikki have a new man now, a foreign. Come on, guys, run with it now. Tikki have a new man, a foreign now. Tikki find a new man, a foreign. People run out. No. Tikki find a new man. You have to stop pushing.
Thank you for the good, my friend.
Because you find a new man.
That's right.
Good. No. Because he find a new man. Tikki find a new man.
Thank you, my friend.
Tikki find a new man. And he introduced Rosalie. No.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you, girl. Thank you.
Tikki find a new.
Yeah,
See it, yeah.
that is it. Derrick,
Yeah.
I printed us pass while ago.
Yeah, Nisha, the screenshot about the fucker then run it with a pink coming on them run it's blood clot.
Yeah, me do
See
it.
it, yeah.
The screenshot is.
Yeah, see it, yeah? One big blood clot piece and come suck me. Come suck up my bumper clot. Come on, love Derrick, Morgan. Yeah. Damn. All right. Wanna love to chat now that people business. Love to chat.
I'm sure you say I have a real